Hello everyone, my name is Chaitali Verikar. I have done MSc and I am Assistant Professor in PSS RSN College of Arts and Science. Title of my unit is Floriculture, module name is Global Trend and Trend in Future and module number is 4. So this is my outline wherein we are going to cover introduction, global trends of floriculture industry and future trends of floriculture industry. These are the learning outcomes wherein again we are going to study about the global status and trends of floriculture industry and we are going to know about the future trends of floriculture industry. Starting with the introduction, global floriculture has always been in the limelight because there has been a major growth in terms of the floriculture sector. Now it is also expected to garner USD 3.65 billion by the end of the 2027. By geography, the global floriculture market is segmented into different zones of the world and those zones are North America, Asia Pacific, Europe, South America and the Middle East and Africa. Out of these all zones, Europe holds the largest market share in global floriculture market. Among these regions, Netherlands is the major flower producing countries, which is followed by Colombia with 15% of share, Ecuador with 9% of share, Kenya with 7% of share, Belgium with 3% of share, Ethiopia with 2% of share, and in contribution 1% of share is contributed by Malaysia, Italy, Germany and Israel. So these are the global trends. Now trends means the changes that has taken place in the floriculture industry with time. First is the proliferating demand. First and foremost, proliferating demands mean there has been a large demand for cultivation of the flowers because the consumers has asked for the large amount of the high value added or high products of the flower. Next is professional buyers. Now when we say about the professional buyers, now customers has become a professional buyer because they ask for the high value flowers or high value purchase or high value service. That has also raised the standard bars of the floriculture industry. Now next is year-round production. In the previous time, there were only seasonal flowers or seasonal plants were available. But now with the global trend, specialized or a specific seasonal plants has shifted to year-round production of the flowers. Next is novel technologies. Now new technologies and precise management of the commercial floriculture has improved the crop yield. It has also benefited the flowers which are involved in the floriculture business. Next is Ayurveda. As we had seen, Ayurveda, the novel therapies, the different plants or the different flowering parts of the plant, how useful they are to the floriculture industry. Next is internet. Now out of all these global trend, internet is the main leading trend which has been continued because it has helped a lot in the marketing tool and it has also helped the growers to reach their buyers. Now the future trends that can be implemented in the global industry and which can help the floriculture industry to elevate. First is the evolving new high yielding varieties. Now new high yielding varieties can be implemented by using different genetic techniques or by using plant biotechnology, wherein different varieties can be combined or new varieties can be implemented to elevate the floriculture industry more. Next is cold storage facility. Now cold storage facility is very much important when it comes to the transportation because there are a lot of constraints which are faced during the transportation of different flowers when exported from one region to another. So cold storage facility is also very important to keep the plants or to keep the flowers in a moisture condition. Next is sanitary or phytosanitary measures. Now these also has to be implemented at different areas like for example at the railway stations or at the airports so that the plants which have been transported, they do not carry any diseases or any kind of pest from one region to another. Now summarizing this all, we studied about how important is global floriculture market. As we said, it is going to elevate further in 2027 by 3.65 USD billion. These are different regions, global regions of the floriculture market which are in trend. Out of this trend, Europe holds the largest market share, and Netherlands is the top major flower producing countries with the rest of the countries. And the share of the Netherlands is around 52% to the global industry. These are global trends, that is proliferating demand for the flowers, professional buyers wherein customers are becoming or asking for high value products of the floriculture, then year-round production of each and every seasonal plants, novel technologies, use of the Ayurveda and internet. These are the future trends that can be implemented in the floriculture industry, that is high yield varieties, cold storage and phytosanitary measures. These are some of the references. Thank you.